rush, we literally need to leave right now, but we're going to see Zara's second year show and I literally can't wait. Literally so excited to see her perform, and yeah, it's just crazy that we're here. We've spoken about it so much, yeah, and now we're off to go see her. Hello, welcome to the vlog. It's always such a chaotic start to the travelling vlogs. Like, I always think that we're gonna have time to like explain everything that we're doing in the morning, and then it's a mad rush. Literally, it's crazy. And then we literally haven't had a chance since yesterday morning, and now it's the next day. But we had such a lovely day yesterday. We're here in Liverpool. Last night we watched Zara's second year show and it was literally insane. So good. I can't even. It was stunning. Yeah, like I almost cried because it was just so beautiful. Like, it was literally amazing, and we got to see all her friends, and it was so nice because obviously we met them last time, so it was just so nice to see everyone again. Literally so lovely. So yeah, if you're new here, our best friend Zara is at dance school in Liverpool, and yeah, we did come and visit a few months ago, but now we're back, and it's summer vibes. It's so nice to be here in the summer. Like, I mean, yesterday walking up the hill with all our bags was an actual joke. Like, it was so hot and my shoulders so heavy. We were carrying a shopping bag, like one handle each, because we were like, I actually can't. We must have looked so funny. We had to keep stopping. It was so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing. So excited to be here. We're here until Tuesday. It's currently Sunday. It's got some really nice days planned. Corin is actually coming over from Manchester today. I can't believe it. No, I can't. Actually, it's mad. We just mentioned that we were going to be up, and yeah, she lives in Manchester now, which is a very long way from where we live. And yeah, because Manchester and Liverpool aren't that far away, we were just like, if you could, it would be amazing, because we just never know when we're going to see her next. And yeah, she was like, yeah, I can come over to Liverpool, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited to see her. We haven't seen her since we last went to Manchester in March. That's mad. I know. I feel like it hasn't been that long, because we did have a really long, nice FaceTime like not that long ago, so yeah, it feels like less time, but like actually seeing her since March, it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm so excited to see her, and it's really nice because her and Zara know each other, but like not really, so it's gonna be really nice for them to see each other. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, Zara's got a little day planned for us, which I'm very excited, and yeah, like Jay said, we've got some other really exciting plans while we're here, so we will take you along. Obviously, as always on these vlogs, it might be a bit chaotic, yeah, but I think you still enjoy it. It's gonna be so exciting, and some vibes coming through. Sun is currently shining. Weather is looking good for the next few days, so we've packed the summer fit. Yes, got the summer nails. We're ready for the summer.
Every morning waking up with a mantra, and in the evening only sleep thanks to time. I carry on, keep counting my blessings, but I know that there's still something I want. No, I won't stop until I find it, so have no doubt I will define it. It comes and goes, that simple feeling, so connected to my soul, I feel alive.
Okay, we're a bit backlit, but yeah, we haven't updated you for a while. Just been living in the moment, soaking up all the time that we've got with Zara in Liverpool. We it's been a bit of a different one just because like we actually went quite a way out of Liverpool on Sunday when we were with Corin. We went to Lark Lane, which is like a bit further out, and then yesterday we were at the beach. So I feel like we haven't actually like been into the city centre yet. Literally. So this morning Zara has got some stuff to do, so we thought we'd take ourselves down to the dock. We haven't had a chance to until now, and we really want to, so we thought, why not? And it's literally 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is so hot. Like we're actually boiling. We're wearing shorts and a vest, and it's 10 o'clock. Like what the hell?
Hot, are you?
Yeah, I'm so hot.
I'm literally so hot.
Okay, that's over there.
Huh?
Looks so pretty.
Yeah.
I'm actually gonna take some pictures actually. So we'd come on a little early morning walk, which feels really good.
Yeah, it feels so good to get up now. Look at this. We got it on Lark Lane.
Zara got a matching one.
That's so cute.
I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. And look at our hair. Because we had it in a plait yesterday, it's like gone a bit curly. And it's so short.
So short. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so hot.
Me too. Yeah, we're gonna go on a little walk. I'm excited. And we'll check back in with you later.
Literally, what the hell? This is actually crazy.
I feel like I'm still like questioning my life choices.
No, no, but it's just crazy.
It's just so weird.
Like it's permanent. It's on us.
Something permanently on you.
What the hell?
Mad.
Oh my god! But yeah. Oh my goodness me! They're tatted. This is so exciting. Zara got one as well. She's got a little sun here, and it looks so cute. Yeah.
Mad.
I can't believe it. We've spoken about this for so long, and now we've actually done it.
What?